chili con carne. A bit of a chili con carne. Oh. Abra. Oh, this is your light that makes me not be able to see diddly squat, yeah. Isn't it? Well, I have both the lights that make you see diddly squat. Bloody hell, it's cold. Yeah, I don't want to be able to see things. You're welcome. I'm a bit really fucking cold. Welcome to the mine. I have my helmet. I didn't mean that, but sure. All done in wellies. It scared the shit out of me. It was really bassy. I do feel a lot on edge in this night. Yeah. Well, just walking in. That's my only problem. You saw it, not you. Yeah. You just blinded me. It's just sorry. It's just one long straight line in. Oh, pardon me. My torch is your torch makes my torch. There's the high vis. What's that? Where's that? It does look like a shaft, doesn't it? What's on there? Oh. Nothing. We worked this out. Did we? Yeah, we went up there. That was where the hot dogs were in the ceiling. Remember? That's last resort. This is the thing I really don't like. What is it? What does it say? End of line. Leaky feeder. MITech, Smartvoice. Is it walkie-talkie thing? No, I assume it does actually. It says leaky feeder system, so presumably it does actually sense for things in here. Like voice. Not voice. Pop my ass. Oh. There's the forest box of goodies. It smells weird. It's got nothing. Did you be that? Everything's fubard. Smells dodgy. It's like explosion. There's the explosive box. Fubard. Well. Yes. This is the dodgiest man you've ever seen. Yeah. It's all just soft, it's shady. You know what I forgot? What? Gloves. Oh, yeah. And now I'm absolutely remtard. Actually, I was spared my top. Oh, bollocks. Basically, this is just looking for us to... Oh, bloody hell. I was just about to do so.
Welcome to use intelligent voice gas detector. Starting. Please wait.
It's nice. Oh my god. It does look really dumb, doesn't it? Okay. It's gotten wetter since we were last time. You think that looks dumb? Yeah, it literally looks like there's no way through. It looks like you decided to try and climb up it. Well, we are. I don't like not wearing my helmet. I find it weird not wearing wellies. I've gotten so used to wearing wellies down here. This is so retarded. Now I'm just wearing steel toe caps. With holes in it. We didn't go that way then. Which way is right? Left. No, which way is right? That little gap. Which way is right? What do you mean, which way is right? Stop saying right, because that's not the correct terminology, is it, when we're in a left-right situation. Right went nowhere. As you can see, it's blocked off. Left is the correct one, the right one. So left is right? Get down. Don't hold that. Do you want to hold the GoPro?
Sure. Have it. You son of a bitch. What are you on about?
How did you get down so easy?
Scoop. Use your ass. Why?
Well, I don't want to get a dirty ass.
Get dirty ass.
And now you're going to get dirty ass on my car seat. I don't know if track on it.
Yeah. We said this is the best bit of track we've seen.
So that means it must be a really big mine.
Yeah, it is. It's just the rest of it's gone. All blocked off and fallen over.
It could be down there.
Look, it's really cool actually, the supports on this one. The little gaps on either side. Oh, right, yeah, there's the lateral track, right. That makes sense. Ooh, that's what good pussy sounds like. And there's the lead vein. Baby. I wanna be a cowboy, baby. Yeah, it looks like it was never finished.
I think we did this last time.
I'm sure we did. We liked finding holes.
Yeah.
That end. Oh yeah. Didn't go nowhere.
I don't remember these.
I don't remember this bit. Water hitting something. Excuse you.
That wasn't it too long.
Again, that's just a straight dead end.
Oh, no, this is. I do remember this.
Oh, this is the. Alright, I see.
I thought you could go down.
Oh, you were right. Yeah, this is the. Right, this is the only bit that we know it does actually go further somewhere.
But we need a key on it.
Yeah. Or something of the sort.
It goes a long way down.
Yeah, there's a ladder down there as well.
Yeah, it's just, I wish there was a ladder here.
Son of a bitch. Well, you can hang yourself.
That's blowing up.
Wait, what, by your neck?
Pull it.
Oh no. I would thought it's rusted shut. Yeah, it ain't gonna go anywhere, is it?
Oh, that'd be pretty good to hang yourself on there. Yeah, that's not good. Well, not down.
Fucking the floor's weak. Can you stomp then?
Got the key ladder. No, we can always use the anal beads. Oh no, use either way.
Okay.
So this mine could be
Not
massive,
wrong.
but
Yeah, we don't know what's downstairs, do we? Yeah, you really were playing with fire then. That did a domino effect.
that would have been your fault.
I'd have laughed, and then those laughs would have been muffled because more wood would fall on me.
I had a Domino's yesterday.
We
It's quite good.
had a Domino's yesterday.
Should we have another one tonight?
You fucking piece of shit. No.
Why not?
I can't stomach two. One after the other. Domino's marathon. I don't think my bank account could either. Hi, Eugene. Eugene. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. Oh. Oh.
Because they want to put around a little one.
If I didn't know, well, I axe it up the bum. Cheeky bit of bum sex.
I'm not looking forward to
What?
leaving this line. leaving the mine, yeah.
Oh, it's stressful leaving.
I'm curious to replay this, how much of the conversation you can actually hear. Because it could be half the time me just mumbling to myself. With no comments from you.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, that's how it normally is anyway. So. The ladder. The ladder. The top half of this mine really didn't go anywhere, did it?
No.
Because half of these are literally just the end, the rock.
This must be the worst area for the air. Sure.
Oh.
Why you me?
The pipe. The hose. Tap me on the back.
The pipes.
The bells. The bells.
Silver bell.
Quasimodo.
Making me feel dizzy.
Bloody hell. Softwood, softwood.
I've got hard in mine.
Press on.
What's on?
Press on.
What's on?
My croissant. Oh, it's very squelchy. And I'm talking inside my shoe.
How the fuck did we get over that? We climbed down there, didn't we?
Bloody hell.
Oh. We know it goes. That's just stupid.
Does look stupid. There's the Indiana Jones rock. Indiana Jones. So yeah, it's a big collapse in it.
Yep.
Oh, we've done the full loop. It's your little electrical box. Have you electrocuted yourself? You spasm. Now, speaking of fuses, they are fuses.
What did I even touch last time?
You touched that. You touched the little switch, which clearly must have had a capacitor in it, and you killed the circuit.
No, I don't think I think I was lifting these wires.
You did. You smacked that. You.
Oh, I was pushing that one, wasn't it? Oh,
Yeah.
the box.
Being aggressive. And it's clearly not used, so. You tried that last time. One day, Will, one day.
I might have recharged.
Recharged. Scaffolding shelf. Hey, hey Jude.
I hate that.
Oh god, it's horrendous.
This been here from 2018
Hmm.
then.
They could have spent the later years, like 2018 and stuff. Bloody hell, Will. Backfilling bits.
Yeah.
The hot dog above my head.
Yep.
Oh god, I hate it. I hate the hot dog.
Look at it.
Full blown electrical charge. Well, explosive charge. Was that it?
Yeah.
Singular stone.
The horrible part.
Yeah, horrible part.
Just picture somebody waiting at the top, shaking their head. Right then, lads, what are you doing there?
What are you doing, lads?
Please, sir, don't me. I'm only 12.
Please, sir.
Please, sir,
Spank me more.
Please, sir, do it hard. I'm gonna want to stick a dynamite.
What?
There's a stick of dynamite here.
Is there? Oh my god, there is. Oh.
Is that a stick of dynamite?
Yeah,
Jesus.
that is an explosive charge.
How did they... Can I touch it? I'm gonna blow up, Billy.
You rolled the last one off a drop, remember? Oh, it's leaked. Dirty bastard. This moment. See if anybody is outside. Farmer?
Can see a sheep.
I think we're clear. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Uh-huh.
You have to.
That's been a mine.